Oh, my screencastify is working again. 7.1 homework help. Here we go. Oh, this video is really big. Can I make myself a little smaller? No. Oh. And now I'm gone. I don't know how to get myself back. All right, well, anyways. So. Yeah, I don't know how to get my video back. It's gone. Anyways. For each pre-image and image, determine the scale factor between the two figures. So, yeah, we had practice with this last chapter. So, for instance, you only have to find the length of one side or one part, and then you can just compare it. So, for instance, for number 3, you have ice cream cones, I think. Okay, so I have 2 ice cream cones for number 3. On my small one, which is my pre-image, okay, so BC is 2. 1, 2. Right? On my image, BC is 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 2, I guess I'm right in here, from 2 to 4. Okay, from 2 to 4. Okay, so what is my scale factor? How do I get from 2 to 4? I multiply by 2. Okay, so this whole figure is being multiplied by a scale factor of 2. Right? So that's what you're doing for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I would compare like side AC to side A prime C prime. That's the easiest comparison, I think, to make for these triangles. You could compare the other sides, but they're diagonal, so why not just compare the straight one or the horizontal one? All right. Then for 5, 6, and 7, you're finding the center of dilation. So remember, your center of dilation is if you connect the pre-image to the image using the corresponding points, it's where those lines intersect. So from A to A, and from B to B. Oh, that was bad. 1 second. There you go. Oh, they don't intersect. Okay, well, extend them. So A to A, we're just gonna extend it out. Extend it out. There. Now that, they should intersect, I believe it's at -7, -6. So my lines are a little bit off clearly, but it should be at -7, -6. Okay, so if you connect your pre-image to your image and they don't, and these lines don't overlap, you need to extend your lines until they overlap. All right, so for instance, if I were to do C to C, okay, it's not intersecting, right? But if I extend it, then it will intersect with the other ones. All right, so your center of dilation is -7, -6, 7. Okay, it's to the left, -7, and then it's down 6. So that's what you're doing on 5, 6, and 7. And then this part is getting you kind of ready for because we're going to be working with circles a lot this chapter. So it's getting you prepared for that. So find the area and circumference of the given circles. Okay, and then down here, you're just comparing them. So you're going to write, I'll jump down to these. So for instance, for this one, right, I should give you the formulas. So circumference and area of circles. Let's do that first. So your circumference is 2 times pi, which I always have to draw. 2 times pi. Oop, 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 oop. Oop. If I can type it, that'd be great. Times r. Oh, should have typed it first and then written in pi. This was a mistake. 2 pi. Okay, I'll just draw it. 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi r. So it's 2 times pi times the radius. So 2 times pi times the radius. So the radius is 1. So your area, wait, we did circumference first. So your circumference is 2 pi r. So it would just be 2 times pi times 1, which is just 2 pi. Okay. We're going to leave pi as pi. We're not going to multiply by 3.14. We're going to leave pi as pi. And then the area of that one. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So area equals room and pi r. Pi r squared. Oh, my pi is going to look funky. Yep, pi r squared. So if we go down to this one again, pi r squared. So the radius squared, 1 squared is just 1. So you just have 1 pi. Pi r squared. Yeah. 1 pi, which is just pi. Okay. So then you do the next one. And then you do the next one. Sorry. And then they ask, how do they compare? So how does this one with the radius of 1 compare to the one with the radius of 2? Is there any patterns? You're trying to notice any patterns here. All right. We'll talk about that tomorrow. So find the area of the circumference, and then how do they compare? Any patterns that you notice. And that is all. Wow, that was so short.